So I'm back with part two. I wanted to give an update on the Earlybird Morning Cocktail. This is the 45-day update. I appreciate everyone giving the questions, asking for more follow-ups because it really helped me, especially evaluate myself to figure out some different things that were happening with me. But by the way, check in the description box right above if you have any questions about it. And honestly, where you ordered it, where I ordered it, and it's the safest place to buy it because it's the official company website. It's in the description box right below, actually, not above. Just joking. But as some of you already know, I'm a health and wellness coach. I'm also a happiness coach for entrepreneurs, have been for many years. And I'm always looking for different ways to make my mornings easier because 4:30 comes quick. But that's how I found Earlybird. And for the last, it's a little bit over 45 days, but just to be kind of technical, I'm like, all right, 45 days sounds cool. But this is what I have found, and here's some questions I'm going to answer for you. I wanted to get this done because I think it's important. So first up, how did I sleep? And thank you for this question, because sleep is such a big deal for me. I struggled with sleep issues for a while. Did not have any sleep issues. No waking up, no jitters, no hard trying to go to bed. You know, sometimes when you're watching TV, you can feel your shirt, boom, boom, jumping because your heart is beating. Nothing like that. And this has been about, again, a little over 45 days, but at this 45-day review, nothing, nada. I'm sure it would have showed up by now. In regards, does it interrupt naps? I have not had any issues with naps. I'm one of those people who intentionally tries to nap, and it's more so just a health side of things with me. But when I've made myself relax, not necessarily nap, I haven't had any issues whatsoever. I got a question in one of the videos I did, and they wanted to know about the container. The container still looks really good, as you can see. Also on the inside, I want you to take a look. Make that in the camera. It's still really clean on the inside, and granted, I wash this regularly. I'm not saying I wash it every day, let me be honest. It still smells like it a little bit, but it's great. So it's a really good quality, and the fact that it comes with it makes it even easier for you to say yes to, because you don't have to worry about dirtying up none of your cups, which is great. Oh, and by the way, in that description box, it's also got a sample pack if you're curious about a couple of the other products lines. I have tried some of those, not all of those, but I think it's a great way for you to experience what else they have to offer. Early birds, hands down. I'm still riding with this. A question that I wanted to answer was, have I had to increase the dosage? But I have not had to increase the dosage, but I'm not taking it every day also. Did I have any headache? I have not had any headaches. And by the way, I stopped taking it for 3 days to notice if I would have any headaches. I got nothing whatsoever. So it's good to go there if you're concerned about headaches, because I thought that was a great question, one I hadn't even thought of. And the final question was, how fast did it go? On the bottle, it actually says it has 45 servings. This is my brand new container, so I've also taken a few servings out of this. So it's lasted 45 flipping days plus, to be honest with you. So I cannot say that this has not been a big bang for its buck. So it's not like one of those supplements where you buy it and you need about 3 or 4 months. No, you're good for a good month. And if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever, it's something that's cool to share, because when you're living with someone, it goes twice as fast. Thank you all who inspired me to do this video to help you all navigate things out there with this 45-day review of the Earlybird Morning Cocktail. I've really appreciated the feedback and the questions, because it made it even easier, because I knew exactly what people wanted to know about. I'm here to help. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a message. I try to get the comments as fast as possible. Check in the description box right below if you want to learn more about Earlybird Morning Cocktail, or if you want to order the Earlybird Morning Cocktail. Thank you again all so much. I will see you next time, and be on the lookout because we have another really cool review coming for Dum Dum Dum. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time.